Sa gospel natin ngayon, sabi ni Jesus kay Simon tungkol sa babaeng makasalanan na pinatawad niya, "Do you see this woman? You gave me no water for my feet when I entered your house, but she has washed my feet with her tears and dried them with her hair. You didn't welcome me with a kiss, but she has not stopped kissing my feet since she came in. You provided no oil for my head, but she has poured perfume on my feet. This is why I tell you, her many sins are forgiven because of her great love. But the one who is forgiven little has little love." Because of her humility and love for Jesus, she was granted mercy and forgiveness. Makasalanan tayong lahat. Kailangan lang magpakumbaba at pagkakalooban tayo ng awa at pagpapatawad ng Diyos. Hamon din sa atin ang magpatawad. G ka ba?